Hello guys. I am Mary. Today I will talk to you about Biofit. I am here to warn you about the importance of acquiring this supplement safely. Before deciding whether you should buy this product, I also have a very important warning that will help preserve your health. The first notice you should know about Biofit is that it is only sold on the official website. You cannot get it anywhere else, so be very careful and make sure to buy the original product from the official website, because unfortunately some people have sold this product on unauthorized websites like eBay and Amazon. They are not allowed to sell this product. And to help you, I left the official website link below in the description of this video. So make sure to check when you're finished watching this video. So you might be wondering what Biofit is and if it really works? The answer is yes. And after many laboratory tests, researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with high-quality concentrated ingredients. You just need to keep in mind that this product is completely safe to use, is processed under precise standards. Biofit has been tested and approved by over 58,000 people around the world and no one has complained of side effects. If you are looking for a permanent weight loss solution, I highly recommend the Biofit. This supplement melts all the belly fat. Your jeans will feel looser around your waist and thighs. Your cellulite will disappear. Your face will look thinner and younger. You will have more energy. It really helps you lose weight by suppressing your cravings for food and increasing your metabolism rate. Biofit will help you lose weight naturally. Take the supplement consistently to get visible results. You can definitely trust this product. Many people are having great results with Biofit, and you can also get these results. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a little obvious, but I am telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Upon that, there is something very important. There is something interesting about this product that you need to know before you buy it. It is that you can actually test Biofit for 60 days, and if you don't see the results or if you don't like it for any reason, you will get your money back, so it is completely risk-free. You need to take the treatment seriously. You will start to see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product. Another important thing for you to know is that Biofit has absolutely no side effects, since its ingredients are 100% natural, and most importantly, you don't have to worry because it is intended for people of all ages. Absolutely anyone can take, is FDA approved and made in a GMP certified facility. I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website that you will buy Biofit, and also if you buy the product, have to do the exact treatment. Take it seriously so that it really works. Remember, if you keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else because your body works in a very unique way, but I really recommend that you take the treatment for at least 3 months in order to get better results. I really hope this video has helped you, and if you have any questions you can leave them in a comment below and I'll be happy to help you. Remember, if you want to buy Biofit with a special discount, as I said, I will leave the link from the official website below in the video description. Good luck with your treatment. Hopefully you have a great day.